Seventh graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 31. It says, in which set of data are the mean, median, and mode equal? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is find the median. And that's the middle number when you put them least to greatest. All of these are already in the correct form of least to greatest. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to find the median. Oh, gosh, that's ugly. And we'll do that for A. And we'll do that for B. For set C. And finally set D. Okay. So let's find the middle here because they're already in order, least to greatest. 65 is the median for that first set. If your numbers weren't in order least to greatest, you would have to put them in order from least to greatest, but the good news is here, these are already in that order, so locating the middle number for each set of data is not too bad. All right. So now I'm going to find the mode. Mode is which occurs most. So it's the number that occurs the most. So let's see, in our first set of data, there's 2 65s. Everything else is just a onesie. So that's a 65. For the second set of data, that's a 65. Next set of data, 69. Okay, that's helpful. So I'll know I can not have to check the mean for that because 67 and 69 already don't match. And for the last set, of course they match. So that's a 66. And so the mean takes the most amount of work. I mean, it's not terrible, but it takes a little more work than the median and the mode. So I thought if I could find some medians and modes where they weren't equal, at least then I could say, okay, I don't even have to find the mean for that set of data because already the median and the mode weren't equal. All right, for the rest of them, we got to find it. So to find the mean is a fancy word for average. Add up the numbers given, then divide by how many there are. So that's what we got to do next. So for our first set of data, we'll add 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, and once we add all those up, we'll divide by 5. For our second set of data, we'll add 63, 65, 65, 66, 67. Once we add those all up, we'll divide by 5. And for this set of data, we will add 63, 65, 66, 66, 70. And once we're all done adding those up, we'll divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So now let's find the mean for those 3 sets and see which one actually matches the median and the mode. So for the first set, 63 plus 64 plus 65 plus 65 plus 66 is 323. Divide that by 5. That gets us to 64.6. Suddenly, letter A is out of the running. For the next one, we'll do 63 plus 65 plus 65 plus 66 plus 67. That gets us to 326. Divide that by 5, it still won't be 65. 65.2. Let's hope letter D works, because if not, we better put an E choice that says none of the above. So let's try this. 63 plus 65 plus 66 plus 66 plus 70. 330. 330 divided by 5 is 66. Yay! There, the median, mode, and mean are all equal for letter D. All right, I hope that helps.